Hey everybody, AprilDavisPI, Friday, January 6, 2023. Look what I found. This is this old Ford pickup truck with a historic vehicle Arizona plate. You can't even read the Arizona part, but it says Grand Canyon State. So it's definitely Arizona, but oh my gosh, look at this. I love old classic cars like this. This is probably an antique. This is unbelievable. Does anybody know what this is? I know it's a Ford. It's definitely a Ford. But what model is this truck? Wow, this needs to be finished. Needs some paint for sure. What is this truck, everybody? Look at these little panels. Don't even know what these are called, where you step out and you step on these little panels. What are those called? Does anybody know that? What model is this? And what are these little panels on the side that you step in and out of the vehicle? There's a little gas tank right there. Look at those tail lamps and the bumper. Is that incredible or what? Wow, what a piece of history.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed